video on one of the liquids that you should always have around. This is basically your own salt water / mineral supplement / mouthwash. You take Himalayan crystal salt. I like these big chunks. You can take a coarse ground, even fine ground, but the coarse ones kind of work better for this. And what you do is you get a mason jar and you fill it up a quarter full of salt. And this stuff's really cheap. This is highlight crystal salt and it's Himalayan pink sea salt. Basically, you just fill up the jar with water. And what's going to happen is you're going to get a 26% maximum saturation of the water. So, you can't see it on the camera, but right above the salt there's like this kind of milky layer, like thick. And the salt will not dissolve anymore because the water is saturated at maximum 26%. So what you do is as you use this, you just keep adding more water. And how do you use this? You get a little dropper bottle. This is a Myron glass, and I just fill it up with this solution. And I add this to all my water, or most of it. Some days I'll drink distilled, some I'll drink with minerals added. And if you're just throughout the day, it's even good to just do some drops of this. It's full of minerals, 80+ minerals. Himalayan salt has pretty much all the minerals in it, so that's a way to make sure that you're getting all your minerals is by supplementing with Himalayan salt. This is one of the easiest ways. You don't have to buy one of those solutions, you just make it yourself. So Himalayan salt, coarse ground, about a quarter full. Fill the rest with water. This also makes a great mouthwash. Just use quarter cup and just swish it in your mouth. Salt water is amazing. Nothing eats this salt. It's 300 million years old. And you're getting a lot of old information. You're getting a lot of information from the salt too when something's that old, just like Shilajit, thousands, millions of years old. That's where the good stuff is. That's where you download a lot of that information from the food. Check this out. It's called Soleil salt. Just get coarse ground Himalayan salt. You can get the salt from Earthshift. It's good to take a bath in, of course. It's good to drink. I put salt on all my food, although the liquid form is easier to absorb. So with your smoothies and stuff, just add this. This is even good, even if you're drinking bottled water from the store. Most of it doesn't have minerals in it. So to add this to it is excellent, and it makes the water taste really enjoyable versus just kind of like a stale, bland water. That's why a lot of people don't like to drink water. It's because it doesn't have any minerals in it, but when you add this to it, it has a nice little flavor to it. It's not, you don't make the water salty, but add just enough. Maybe like 10 to 20 drops. Try this out, Soleil salt.